This is a used 2008 Ford Edge, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, digital audio input, memory seats, premium rims, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Russell and Smith Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3440 South Loop West, Houston, Texas 77025.